channel. So today's vlog is very special vlog because I'm gonna take my girls to the department store to buy their own Christmas presents. So they have their own money. They save it for 1 year now. Last year and this year. 1 year na, Jod. 1 year na. Ilan is lang save ang ilang money para makapalit sila sa ilang gusto kung ano ang gusto nila sa ilang regalo nila sa ilang sarili. So now, my love! Hi, my loves! Welcome back to my channel of blessing. Okay, how much money do you have?
I got 902.
You got 902. So that means you got 902. How about you, Pops?
I forgot.
You don't know, so I think you have $60.
Yeah!
$60 something, and then and then Ate, you have $109. So are you ready to go to the shop now?
Yes, but first you need to put it inside.
Okay, put your money in your coins. Put your money in the coins.
Oh, my.
Yun, my love, papunta na po kami doon sa sa department store, my love, para mag-shopping din. Kahit walang pambili, my love. Bahala na si Batman, basta makapag-shopping lang. So, my love, samahan niyo po kami para shopping. See you, my love! Nandito na po kami sa mall. Dumating na po kami. So, ngayon, what are we gonna do today?
So we're gonna get Christmas shopping because it's 2 weeks until Christmas. So let's get started walking to the shop.
Okay. How about you, Pops? Where is your hair?
I get one.
You don't want to wear it? Sorry. Oh yeah, so it's Christmas na, my love. 2 weeks to go before Christmas. You wanna go there?
Yeah.
No. Because it's not to Santa. Santa is not. Santa is still asleep. Ate, Santa is still asleep. Are we gonna go shopping or are you gonna do
I mean, shopping first.
Okay, let's go shopping. Oh, sige. Come on. Hurry up, girls. We don't have all day. Yan na po. Naghanap na po sila kung anong bilhin nila. Which one? Okay. So, naghanap sila kung ano ang toys. Ito! This one. Maybe they don't have the They are looking for you. What's that, Ate? Rainbow coin?
Yeah.
You're looking for rainbow coin? Hoy.
Yeah, rainbow coin and the thing there's
Barbie.
Yeah, there's Barbie things like these.
Do you want it for Christmas? How much? That's $49. Yeah, this one is the My love, this. No, not that one, my love. We have like that. We already have like that, a Barbie doll. A baby.
Oh, no.
I thought that you want the rainbow corn.
No, I want the rainbow corn and this.
I'm not sure if your money is enough for that. Have a look, have a look, have a look. Hey, hey. How much? Murag plano nila may lab, palito nila tanan ang tindahan ang mga baligya diri may lab. Ilang kwarta diri, murag ultimura ilang kwarta diri. Ha? Oh, let's have a look the price, be.
Rainbow corn.
Now, can you please push mo tong bigit? I'm holding the camera at the same time.
LOL.
That's $49. This $59.
Ooh, only this and the
Which one? Which one?
$7.59.
That's $29, my love. This one. This one. Which one? The one that you took? That one is how much?
Oh,
$27.
27.
Do you want that? Sige.
Yay!
Okay, $27 pa. Okay.
Ati, this is baby sister. Yeah.
Okay. Now, anything else? How about you, Pops?
Rainbow. Why don't
Magkuha sa mig trolley, my love, ha? Kay perting lisuran ni my love. Yes.
Yeah.
Let's get the trolley first. Okay, there's a trolley there. Do not bring it outside. No, not. Do you want to bring that? You wanna? Oh, sige, take that one. Ayaw. Stay with Montong, my love. Sorry. And now we're going back to the rainbow coin. Be careful, otherwise we don't have a license here. Mapreso tao. Wala ra ba tayo kwarta? Hala, ginoo ko. Kim preso ta ni na. Atong kwarta ra ba diri puro sa banis kuan, tililing-liling. Okay, it's really difficult on the station. Lisod na ni kayang my loves. Oy, ikapay driver, ikapay. Wala. My love, help me. My love. Tawara. Can I take a vlog of this? Okay, let's go. Okay, where's the rainbow corn? Ako ulit tanawa ninyo. So, that one, Papsi. How much is that? Hala, patay. $49. Oh, sige. Are you sure? Do you want that?
Yeah.
How about you, ate?
What? Yeah.
That's it.
No.
You need to sit down, mate. Yes, my love. Okay, how much is that? Huh? Hala, wala. Nakita na ni kung ako ang tinaguan rin na. Hi. Try. Let Papsi to do it. Okay, that's $25. Do you want this?
Yeah.
So $25. That's it, eh?
Yeah.
So that's all what you need, eh? That's all for you.
I really want to do that.
What is this, by the way? It's just a little toys.
I really want to hurry it. Mommy, I just want to ask him that.
Is that toys? Toys. Okay.
Can I just
Sige, ate. Start.
Welcome. Please scan your first item. Okay, what's that?
This one? This one. Okay. Oh, that's $39. Oh, wait, Popsy, listen to me first. Let Ate go first. Okay? Yeah.
My
So,
second item.
okay.
And then my
That's it.
no,
That's Popsy.
no, I bought this.
That's Popsy. Put it back.
Oh yeah,
Put it back.
two each.
Yeah. Popsy, put it back. Okay, Ate, time to pay. Where's your money?
Oh yeah.
Finish and pay. Cash. Okay. Over here. Put it over here.
So
Put it all. I'm sorry, hurry up. All of it. No, just eat. Yeah. Just one by one. Sige, okay. Ilan yung tinigo, my love ha? Tinigo, Manila.
I'll give you the money.
Pasensya na, my love. Hulog-hulog, piso-piso. Sige, ito. It's okay, okay. Wait ko, wait.
Is that
Abi na mo, Pilipinas na ni hulog-hulog piso. Na ako diri, eh. Sige, keep going. It's alright, keep going, keep going. Don't... You're just gonna wait for your time. $18 to go. Oh, it's okay. Oh, okay, that's... Alright. Please take your change. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Okay. Take your items and put away your wallet and put up take
Thank
okay,
you
your
for
toy.
shopping at Kmart.
Okay. Next. Alright, so you got $54. There you go. Here's your money. Put it here, Ate. Don't lose your receipt.
because we're gonna show it.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Ate, stay with Montong. Hold the camera. No, you're not wasting your money. You're paying your item. Okay, yeah. $2. Alright, get your item. Thank you.
Look at my one.
Lab, human na mig hulog-hulog piso. Gisingot yun ko rito may lapugayan o magbayad lagi. So, mauli na mi, kaya nahurot na mo ang piso. So, my loves, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell for notifications so that you will notified for my next video. Remember, be happy because health is wealth. Thanks for watching. Bye! Happy holiday!